Welcome to my Chanel Most Worth Coins WC Today videos is one you won't to miss. We're diving into the world of top 3 1-cent Canada coins, so let's get it started. The 1977 Canadian 1-cent coin is part of the long-running series of pennies featuring Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and the maple leaf design on the reverse. Below is an in-depth analysis of its details, history, and value. Design: a right-facing portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. Elizabeth II D times G times Regina, which translates to Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen. Engraver: Arnold Machen. This portrait of the Queen was used on Canadian coins from 1965 to 1989. Design features: the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II shows her youthful appearance with a tiara. Design: 2 maple leaves attached to a single stem, symbolizing Canada. 1-cent Canada 1977. Engraver: George Kruger Gray. This maple leaf design has been in use since 1937. Coin specifications: material, 98% copper, with the remaining 2% made of tin and zinc. Weight, 3.24 grams. Diameter, 19.05 millimeters. Thickness, 1.55 millimeters. Edge, plain, smooth. Minting facility: Royal Canadian Mint in Ottawa. The 1977 Canadian penny was part of the standard 1-cent circulation before the discontinuation of the penny in Canada in 2012. It retains the classic maple leaf design that has been a symbol of Canada's natural beauty and national identity. Mintage and value. Mintage: 852,855,929 coins were produced in 1977. Face value: 1 cent, no longer in circulation, but still collectible. Value in circulation: typically worth face value unless in exceptional condition. Uncirculated, MS60 to MS65 can range from 50 cents to $5 depending on condition. Proof-like and proof versions: higher quality strikes in mint sets can be worth $5 to $15 or more. Rare varieties and errors. Some error coins from 1977 may be valuable. 1. Doubled date. Some coins exhibit doubling on the 1977 numerals, increasing their worth. 2. Die cracks. Small cracks in the die can create raised lines on the coin, making them collectible. 3. Off-center strikes. Coins struck slightly off-center can have increased value. The 1977 penny is relatively common, but uncirculated examples and error coins can fetch higher prices. If you have a mint state coin, graded MS65 or above, it may be valuable to collectors. The 1981 Canadian 1-cent coin features Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and the iconic maple leaf design on the reverse. Here's a detailed breakdown of its specifications and history. Design: features a right-facing effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. Elizabeth II D times G times Regina, which stands for Elizabeth II, Dei Gratia Regina, Latin for by the grace of God, Queen. Engraver: Arnold Machen. This portrait was used from 1965 to 1989. Design: features 2 maple leaves on a single stem. 1-cent Canada 1981. Design significance: the maple leaf has been a national symbol of Canada for centuries. Coin specifications: material, 98% copper, with small amounts of tin and zinc. Weight, 3.24 grams. Diameter, 19.05 millimeters. Thickness, 1.55 millimeters. Edge, plain, smooth. Minting location: Royal Canadian Mint. The 1981 Canadian penny was part of the circulating coins before Canada discontinued the 1-cent coin in 2012. This year had a high mintage, making it common, but some variations and errors can be valuable. Mintage and value. Mintage: over 1.2 billion coins were produced. Circulated value: typically worth face value, 1 cent. Uncirculated value: a mint condition, MS65, coin can be worth $1 to $5 plus. Proof-like and proof sets, specially struck versions can be worth more. Double date: some coins may show doubling on the 1981 date, increasing their value. Die cracks or rotated dies. Misaligned strikes or cracks in the die can create rare error coins. The 1992 Fiji 5-cent coin is part of the decimal currency system introduced in Fiji after switching from the Fijian pound to the Fijian dollar in 1969. Below is a comprehensive overview of this coin's design, specifications, history, and value. Design: a right-facing portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. Elizabeth II Fiji 1992. Engraver: Raphael Maklouf. This particular effigy was used on Fiji's coins from 1985 to 1998. Design features. Queen Elizabeth II is depicted wearing the George IV state diadem, a crown traditionally worn for state occasions. Design features an Ika tuatui, the Fijian name for the crown of thorns starfish, Acanthus duplancy. 5 cents. Engraver, Ken Payne. Design significance. The starfish is a marine species native to Fiji and the surrounding Pacific waters, highlighting the country's connection to the ocean. Coin specifications. Material, nickel-plated steel, previously cupronickel before later changes in composition. Weight, 2.83 grams. Diameter, 19.41 millimeters. Thickness, 1.25 millimeters. Edge, reeded, milled. Minting facility. Struck by various international mints, including the Royal Australian Mint and Royal Mint, UK. The 1992 Fiji 5-cent coin belongs to the Fijian decimal currency system, which was introduced in 1969. This coin was part of Fiji's first modern coinage after independence in 1970. The Ika tuatui, crown of thorns starfish, is an interesting choice for the reverse design, as this species is both a natural wonder and a potential threat to coral reefs due to its coral-eating habits. Mintage and value. Mintage, not publicly available, but it was a standard circulation coin. Face value, 5 cents in Fijian currency. Circulated value, generally worth face value unless in high-grade condition. Uncirculated, MS60 to MS65 can range from $1 to $5 US. Proof and specimen versions. Higher quality mint strikes may be worth $10 or more. Rare varieties and errors. Some 1992 Fiji 5-cent coins may have rare features. 1. Die cracks or cuds. These appear as raised marks due to cracks in the coin die. 2. Misaligned strikes. If the coin's design is off-center, it can be worth more to collectors. 3. Planchette errors. Includes missing plating, incorrect metal composition, or clipped planches. The 1992 Fiji 5-cent coin is a common circulation coin, but well-preserved examples can be collectible. If you have a brilliant uncirculated or error version, it may be valuable to numismatists.